Hi there, it's Jacqueline from Homeworks, etc. We are now starting these Q&A calls where we can answer your frequently asked questions. So stay tuned. So today's topic is all about subscription boxes, and yes, we are so pleased to say that we've been offering a subscription box for over a year now, and we have 4 different types. So the first question usually is, what type of subscription box do you offer? So we offer 4 subscription boxes. 3 of them are monthly and 1 of them is quarterly. We have a DIY club, which is a $35 price point, and it is a smaller kit that is seasonal based on our usually our monthly theme that we've chosen. We also have a standard DIY box, and the standard box is our tiered tray subscription box. So again, along the exact same theme, so you can actually subscribe to both our DIY kit and our standard, and they do complement each other with the same paint colors. We do have our deluxe subscription box. So if you love to decorate seasonally and you like all the extras, then the deluxe subscription box is for you. It offers our tiered tray standard box, and then all the extras of the home decor that we have selected specifically for that season as well. It includes a 6-cent soy candle, bead kit, and then usually the extra is a little bit of a surprise. As well, we have a quarterly subscription box, which features our signature signs. So every quarter you get 3 signs that you get to paint for the next 3 seasons. So there you go. How do I find out the theme that you're shipping out? You can head to our website to see which featured theme we are offering. You can head to our website at homeworksetc.ca. We will put the link below, and that changes by the subscription date that it's available. So you can take a sneak peek at the future months, and we update those on a regular basis as well. So the next question here is there any time commitment to subscribing? Nope. The next question is, do you offer local pickup? Yes, we do. We sure do. We're located in the Brookswood area of Langley at the corner of 208th and 40th. To get your local pickup, just use the coupon code in the description box. So how much does it cost to ship the monthly subscription boxes? We do offer a flat rate shipping. It's $12 every month. Doesn't matter where you're from, and we ship throughout Canada and the United States. We often get asked if you get everything what's in the photography that you see. So there are times where we do offer lifestyle photos that have additional products, and those are available to add onto your subscription for a one-time purchase. So what are the perks of subscribing to our DIY boxes? You get extra added savings, you get flat rate shipping fee, you also get the opportunity to add onto your order at every month for no additional shipping costs. You get to set aside time every month to create. As well, you can join other people just like you who are DIYers in our private Facebook group online. So the last question we have for today is, how do I go about placing my first order? So we've put the link below. Once you've decided on your subscription box that you are interested in, please do read the description so it'll tell you exactly what you're getting. And if you wanted to add on any additional home decor items, you can browse our website as well. Now, depending on the date that you're ordering will determine the kit that you receive. So I hope you found these questions and answers useful. Next week, we're going to be discussing another topic. If you have any questions at all for us, feel free to post them below. We'll see you next week.